Hi students, good morning Chonanda. Today we are going to see about the mode, exercise 14.2. In the last exercise we have seen exercise 14.1. We have discussed about mean. Okay, let's see the mode. The mode for the group data can be found by using the formula. Mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplication H. Again I will tell L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplication H. Okay, let's see that. I will explain. L, lower limit of the model class. F1, frequency of the model class. F0, frequency of the preceding class of the model class. F2, frequency of the succeeding class of the model class. H, size of the class interval. We are using more words for model class. What is the model class? Model class is nothing but class interval with the highest frequency. Okay, this is the explanation of the formula. We have to see in the problem what is the model class. Okay, thank you students. Now exercise 14.2, question number 1. Following the table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age, this is a class interval. Number of patients, this is the frequency. Find the mode and the mean of the given data. See the question, they are asking mode and mean. That we have to find out these two values. Okay, first we have to find the mode. Mode formula is the L plus F1 minus F0 divided by F1 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplication H. First we have to find out these values from the tabular column. Before that we have to know the model class. What is the model class? Model class is the nothing but highest frequency with the class interval. Okay, so which is the highest frequency here? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. So 23 is the highest frequency. So we have to write the highest frequency first. Then only we have to find out the model class. So the frequency 23 correspondent to the class interval. Which is the class interval? 23 class interval 35 to 45. So 35 to 45 is the class interval. Therefore the model class is 35 to 45. Okay, we have to find out values from this formula A. Now class size H, we have to find out. H means class is 35 to 45 difference. Class is 10. Lower limit, 35 is the lower limit, 45 is the upper limit. Okay, so 35 is the L. And then frequency of the model class, which is this is the model class. So model class frequency 23. So F1 is the 23. Frequency of the class preceding model class F0. Preceding model class means frequency and before that one. So there is a 21. So we have to write the F not equal to 21. And succeeding model class F2. So succeeding model class 14. So now I am writing the formula and I have applied the same values here. So let's simplify. 35, 23 minus 21, 2, 2 23s are 46, minus 21 minus 14, we have to add 35 into H value is 10, minus 21, 2, 2 23s are 46, minus 21 minus 14, we have to add 35 into H value is 10. Okay, 35, 2 tens are 20 divided by 46 minus 35, 11 will come. So 35, we have to simply 1 11s are 11, balance 9, 90.8 something will come. So the approximately 1.8 will come. So what is the answer? 36.8. That is the answer. This is the mode value. So we have to find out the values from the highest frequency and model class, and these values H, L, F1, F0 and F2, and we have to apply in the formula and get the mode value. This is mode value. And then they are asking what the values mean. So we have to also find out the mean value. Already we know how to find out the mean value. So in this problem I have solved the mean values. Okay, So first we have to assume the assumed mean A and class interval size h, and we have to apply the step deviation method. The formula x bar equal to A plus sigma fi ua divided by sigma fi multiplication h. As the same method mean we have to find out. So required mean is 35.37. The values are maximum, it will come be nearby. Okay students, thank you. This is the exercise 14.2 question number 1, and we will see the next problem in the next video. Thank you students. Hi students, now exercise 14.2 question number 2. Okay, we are going to see the mode. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime of 225 electrical components. This is the tabular column, lifetime and frequency. Determine the model lifetime of the components. So see the model. So they are giving the model lifetime. Model means we have to find out the mode. In the some problems they will tell directly mode. Okay. First you have to see the highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency? 10, 35, 52, 61. Okay. Already in the introduction we have seen the model class. Okay. Let's see the solution. Here the highest frequency is 61. 61 corresponds the class interval 60 to 80. Okay. So the frequency 61 correspond to the class 60 to 80. So 60 to 80 is the model class. Okay. The model class is 60 to 80. Therefore we have L. In this formula, L plus F1 minus F0 divided by F2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplication H. What is the mean by L? Already we have seen it. Lower limit of the model class. Which is the model class? 60 to 80. So which is the lower limit? 60. So L equal to 60. H. Already we have seen it in the mean. Mean, what is the H? H is the class interval frequency. Okay, 60 to 80 means 20. Next, frequency. F1 is the, what is the F1? Frequency of the model class. What is the frequency of the model class? Frequency of the model class is 61. So F1 is 61. F0, frequency of the preceding model class. Okay, so 61 before preceding 52. So 52. F2 succeeding of the model class. So 38. So F2 is 38. Is nothing but you have to see the highest frequency 61. That is F1. That is preceding one F0, and the succeeding one F2. And highest H means the class interval distance. Okay, and lower limit is 60. That is we have applied here. Next we have see the problem. Okay, see the formula. Okay, see the formula. L. What is the L? 60. L is 60 plus F1. F1 means F1 61, F minus F0. F0 52 multiplication 2 multiplication F1 61, and F0 already you know 52 multiplication F2 38 into H is 20. Okay, we have to simplify this formula and get a mode. 61 minus 52 9. 2 into 61 122 minus 52 minus 38. We have to, there is a more minus symbol, so we have to add this. So this one 8 plus 2 9, 8 plus 2 10, balance 1 90 into 20. So 60 division. We have to multiply with 20. 9 20 is 180 divided by, we have to separate means 32. and simplify the answer. 60 plus 1 2 are 2, balance 1 6 are 6 2 are 12, here 90, and again we have to simplify 8, here 45. So 45 divided by 8, 60, 1 8s are 8, 5 8s are 40, balance 5, 50, 6 8s are 48, balance 2, and 625 answer will come. So 5.625, this is the and 65 625. So therefore thus the required model lifetimes of the components is 65.625 hours. Okay students, thank you.